It is good. I don't have a wrench though. Jesus, scared me. Look at the cobwebs. Barn find E36. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is gonna be. I haven't been in this car in so long.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Something's spinning around and hitting in the engine. You hear it?
Yeah.
Something is hitting somewhere. Turn it off real quick. Well, the vibration was for sure that.
The exhaust hitting the, yeah. Okay. Well, oh my god, it's dirty.
Yeah,
but it's back.
really
All right, back to the shop we go. Well, it's safe to say that the E36 has seen better days. But I will say that it did drive relatively well for sitting for about a month. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is tomorrow morning I'm going to wash that thing. I really hope that the wrap didn't get all messed up just from sitting outside. There's a little bit of tree sap and those kind of things. So hopefully we have all the right stuff and hopefully it won't take too long. But man, I miss driving that car. The thing is super, super fun. It makes all of the right noises. And there's one other thing that I kind of forgot is I haven't driven manual in a while either. So glad to be driving the 5-speed. I do have one mod that just came in for the E36 that I've been waiting to do. And I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So let me show you guys. So here it is. This is the IRP short shifter. It has the button on the top for the reverse lockout. So I've been running the stock shifter in the E36. It has upgraded bushings, but it's still pretty loose. And I'm hoping that this not only improves the driver feel, but also just is a lot more direct feeling. So this is gonna be coming up in an upcoming episode. And a huge shout out to IRP. It's a really, really nice looking part. Also guys, if you have not got your entries in to win our beautiful Evo, this is gonna be ending in just a few days. So September 30th is the last day to enter. Get on the website.
Don't slip. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win this thing. Buy merch, buy those car parts. Get your entries in, boys.
Turned out so good. One thing that you guys, if you didn't see the last episode, check this out. Mickey and Ricky just finished up the pure turbo upgrade, refinishing everything under here, all the RPG carbon, everything just turned out so killer. So hop on the website guys, don't miss out. It's a good one. Can't believe I'm saying this, but it's time to buy another car, boys. Good morning. Or afternoon. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, sir.
What's up, bro?
How are you? There she is. Woo! Oh, not too happy in the front there.
Yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon. Morning, brother.
Throw it all away, and pride's forsaken both of us.
Hey Evan, what do you think of your brand new car?
love those seats. I almost took them out and put them in my Supra.
All right, so this is a 2018 M3 CS. Now, if you're not familiar with what the CS means, this is basically the top of the line M3. So I have the M2 competition. So the competition is like the mid-level. This is the top notch. So see how it has this hood? This actually came factory. Comes with the S55, just like the other M3s. As you can see, this one has some damage in the front, but it doesn't look terribly bad. I did notice on this side, the front subframe is definitely ruined, but the CS comes with different wheels. And I think probably the most notably different things is the seats and the interior. So you have leather wrap, suede everywhere. The seats are really special. They actually have holes through them, which is pretty bad. The CS does not have an armrest. It has this long center console, which I know everything's kind of difficult to see right now, but this car was involved in an accident. It appeared here at Premium Auto Styling. I don't know all of the details of this, but we're gonna be buying it. We're gonna be rebuilding this car. So if you like M3 content, if you like BMW content, smash a like on this video right now. Maybe hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. This thing is beautiful. I love the frozen blue paint job. Now this is gonna be pretty tricky to match, so I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do about the exterior just yet. But the M3 CS also has a different exhaust system, a little bit less restrictive, and I believe the suspension is different too. There it is. Yeah, so this is definitely where it took a brunt force here. You can see this front subframe is pretty trash, even ripped off the lower control arm mount, and the tie rod snapped off. As far as the frame goes, it doesn't look like the frame was hit at all.
Frame rail was good.
And I saw you had the crush bar.
Yeah, we have it.
And it looked okay.
Like I said, the hit was right under the frame rails. For that.
So hopefully the transcooler oil coat did not hit the crank pulley. We haven't. You didn't think so? Okay. No. Yeah, you said that you started it, Daniel, or it started? Oh, there we go.
In order to get to where they had to take it apart. So it hasn't been started since then. But when it crashed, it was running, and it stayed running. It was in a ditch.
I see the motor's clean.
Nice little
I
pile
didn't get
of
to
parts.
really, I know. Hell yeah. All right, all loaded up, all strapped down, and I think that's almost it. I'm very excited to take on a project like this. Obviously, you guys know my wife has an F80 M3. It's an amazing car, very similar to the M2 competition, but the CS is just special. So if you're a BMW guy, you already know the CS models are rare. They are very sought after, and truthfully, I don't know exactly what the outcome is going to be with this car. Buy it, rebuild it, drive it for a while, sell it, I don't know. But overall, just super excited to kind of kick this one off. That being said, we are pretty much wrapped up here, and I have one more pit stop to do today, which is to go check out the E92 that's been at SOS Customs. So the wide body E92 has been there for a couple weeks now. They're making some pretty good progress, and I want to check in on it. So it's going to be pretty exciting. So sit back, relax, here we go. Shout out to Daniel for the snacks. All right, the deal is done. The car is mine. Next up, SOS Customs. Excuse me, sir. Can't be here.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How are you? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while, Jay.
Yeah, I just got in a couple, like 2 weeks ago. And
This is like the perfect daily.
It is, it really is. It's like I said, I let it sit for a whole year. Been in New York. I actually picked up an M3. This one was pretty beat up, man.
Pretty
it's
rough?
probably one of the most beat up cars you ever brought us.
Worse
ever.
than the 240?
240 had like peeling paint, but the body wasn't that bad. This body, I mean, there's every panel
had major body work on it, including the roof, which is like weird.
So we bought this car from the auction. We didn't really know anything about it. Bought it sight unseen. So I guess the only thing we brought you that was good was probably the bumper.
So that helped out a lot. Like having new bumpers, new side skirt, new hood, that definitely helped out because now we're just concentrating on the body itself, right? Because as you know, there's cars that have messed up bumpers and stuff like that, and that's a whole project in itself. So I thank you for having new bumpers.
I mean, this looks, you guys already finished this and blocked it.
Well, we're still gonna reblock it and prep it and everything, but obviously the next step is to start disassembling the car, taking stuff off like door handles, mirrors, moldings, everything, taillights, and start prepping out to do the jams.
Okay.
So have you told anybody in the vlog about the color yet?
No. Okay. So I don't know if we've mixed any color at some point, maybe next week or something. We can check it out.
For sure, next week we're gonna have all the door jams finished. And if the body kit, helps out and it works with us, and we can get it all body worked as well, then there's a possibility that we can get the whole car painted.
Hey,
right?
All right.
Sometimes when we say, hey, this thing is good enough for the throttle boys, then obviously then that's when it'll be done. But
we appreciate that.
The kit itself, obviously, it's gonna need a little bit of love.
Okay, so the issue with the front end is that the Street Fighter LA body kit does come with a front lip, but it matches the M-Tech, or I think it's the M-Sport or M-Tech front bumper.
Yeah.
We were unable to source that, so we decided to go with the M3 front bumper. Unfortunately, M3 front lips don't fit. M-Sport bumper lips don't fit, so we actually have to make like a hybrid between the two. So we have 2 or 3 different lips, and we got to see what is gonna happen. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna fit. All right, Oscar, we're gonna come back next week. We're gonna see what the final paint color is because we haven't revealed it to anyone. But keep it up, it looks good. And soon, I actually think we just placed the order for the wheels too, so it's not gonna look like a spaceship anymore. Maybe they'll be here by the time the paint job is here. It needs wheels, really bad. What an absolute crazy day. I can't believe I bought an M3 CS today. For those of you who know what that is, I think you get it, how special they are. If you don't know, educate yourself. They're super cool, and I didn't really get a lot of chance to look into the car because Frank actually beat me there. It was already kind of loaded up, and I didn't want to slow down the load up process because it was about 110 degrees there too. The M3 CS is really special. I love the frozen blue color on there. That is a factory color, that's not a wrap. And the interior is absolutely gorgeous. So we do have a lot of content planned for the car. Obviously you guys saw how rough it is. And we're gonna be getting this thing back on the road in tip-top shape with some aftermarket goodies. I can't wait to drive it, and we'll bring you guys along for the ride. So just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, supporting. We're almost at 900,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. It's pretty crazy to me. It's really crazy actually. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And that's it. If you like BMW content, you like JDM content, you like any kind of automotive content, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like if you like this video. Hope everyone has an awesome rest of your day. And if you've got some dreams out there, keep chasing your dreams, because I never thought that I would be in this position, but work hard and cool things can happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. This thing is gonna be...
Yeah, there's some things I think.
Can you film from the back to see if this thing starts?
Beast mode, look at this. Look at this baby.
Oh, it's not ripe yet.
Yeah, this is ripe.